Hello, I'm William with Sportsland RVs. I'm going to do a walk around on the Keystone Hideout 308 BHDS. Great trailer. We've had extremely good success with this trailer. I think you're really going to be impressed with it as we go around. We're going to go around the outside first, then we'll head on inside. Starting right here, you got to love the grab handle here. Nice big handle. It rolls out of the way if you need it there. It's got the cold mountain package, which is an enclosed heated underbelly. So it's some might call that a 4-season package. I really call any of them more of like an extended season package. But you know, it's going to do as well, if not better, than pretty much any trailer out there with the enclosed heated underbelly. Okay, so we got the nice big awning here with the LED light strip right along the edge. I like the LED light strip there so that when the awning's in, if it's too windy, you still have the lights for your campsite. A lot of them have the LED light on the outside of the roll, and the only time it's doing anything for you is if the awning's all the way out. Great storage through here. You've got aluminum framing up in here, trying to keep the trailer nice and light. The dry weight on this trailer is right about 9,000 pounds, so that's pretty reasonable. Total length on the trailer is right around 35 feet, so 9,000 pounds, that's doing pretty good. Coming around the front here, beautiful front cap to this, nice fiberglass cap. There's nothing that can ever delaminate on this because it's just a nice, it's not a laminated wall, so it can't delaminate. You've got the lights coming down here. The reason they have those, and then this mirror right here, so when you're backing up, you can actually, from these lights and this mirror, you can see as you're getting to the hitch if it's dark out. So that's a real nice feature there. The Hideouts come with a 3-year warranty. So they've stepped up there. Used to be a 1-year warranty, 3 years on that. Coming around this way, you've got the other side of that storage. Going through here, it's pass through all the way through. And then there's also storage up front that you can get to where the batteries are. Here's your water connections, your water fill. It's got the black tank flush, so you can flush out the black tank when you hook a garden hose up to this. It sends water to shower heads inside the black tank to rinse that down nice. You're close to 50 gallons of fresh water capacity on this, so that's sufficient. Coming down the side here, we got the 2 slide outs, which is going to give you a ton of room inside, which we'll be looking at in a second. The trailer actually has the full bath in the back side and then a half bath up front, which is really unique and just a great feature to the trailer. With that, you end up with a black and gray holding tank in the back and also a black and gray holding tank up front. What that gives you is a lot more capacity for your black and grays because they're going to split the duties there and give you basically twice as much capacity there. I don't have the exact capacities on that, but that would be online or in the brochure. Come around the back side, you've got a prepped backup camera up top, so it's all ready just to put in the camera system. They've already done the wiring for that. And you can see the top edge of this RV from the back. You can see how there's a pretty pronounced curve to that. That's really good to have. It helps get the water off the roof instead of having a flat roof. You've got rain gutters on the edges, so that or the rain spouts, so that when it rains, it doesn't drip down the side of the trailer too, which is nice. Outside kitchen, right up here, your outside shower, hot and cold water. You've got power stabilizing jacks right here. So you just push a button and they come down, stabilize the trailer, which is nice. And you can see this is a great setup here. I love that this top right here acts almost like another awning. I'm about 6 foot tall. You know, I've got 4 or 5 inches above my head here to conveniently come in and out of this without whacking your head on something. 2-burner stove. You've got the sink with hot and cold water, some cabinetry. You've got outlet out here. Really nice feature there to help with the fun of camping. This is your main bath right here with the shower and the toilet and the sink. You've got a separate entrance door here, which is great. If you're out camping and a thunderstorm comes through and the campsite gets a little muddy, this makes for a great mud room. You come in here, kick your shoes off while sitting down in the toilet, and throw them in the shower or wherever, but you're not tracking that mud through the whole trailer. So really convenient there. Or if you're just coming and going to use the bathroom, you don't have to track that dirt inside. You got 15-inch rims on this trailer, which gets you some bigger tires with higher ratings on the tire, and it's just not going to spin as fast as your 14-inch rims. So good sufficient setup there. If you want, you can take the TV from inside and put it right on this bracket here, tie into the coax and power outlets here. It's underneath the awning, so you can actually have the TV set out up here. And here's your main water fill for that. I think the brochure lists it at 43 gallons, but if you add in the 6-gallon hot water heater, you're up close to 50 gallons of total water capacity. Gravity fed system, which is nice. You don't have to have pressurized water to fill this up. If you're running a little low and you're out camping, you can just go fill up your 6-gallon water jugs and just dump those right in. You don't need pressurized water, which is nice. So come on inside and we'll show you what we have going on here. From down there, you can get a good look at the LED lights they've got underneath the counter here to give some nice backlighting. They've put those up inside the TV area here. Just nice, easy light to work with, almost like a night light. So this year, the 2018 Hideouts have really kind of stepped up in a number of areas. Just some of the fit and finish. We've got a skylight up top now. Didn't have that in previous years. They've really upgraded this whole area here. Now you have a pull-down faucet, nice stainless steel sink instead of the plastic sink. You've got the glass cover to the stove now, so it makes it much more functional to actually use this as a stove or the extra countertop space. They've also gone to the 8 cubic foot refrigerator, so a huge fridge. That's nice. They come out with some new colors. We're really liking these quite a bit. Nice and light, but not too light that they're going to get dirty. So this huge U-shaped dinette here. A lot of times U-shaped dinettes, they give you the illusion, oh great, we've got a U-shaped dinette, but they actually don't give you a whole lot of extra space. This one's big enough that you can fit quite a few people around this. To make it into the bed, you just take the cushions on the back side there, put them on top of this table, and the way they've set up their table, it just comes right out like this, and there you go. So a real simple table. It doesn't have the legs which come down, and generally it's more stable than the posts. Back here is one of the neatest parts about this trailer. Got a huge bunk room here. You've got the bunk slide out here, 300-pound capacity bunk right here, which pivots up out of the way, and you can pin this shut if you don't want that getting in the room and sitting on this couch down here. And then this couch is kind of like a futon deal. You can see the split here. It'll fold all the way out and pretty much fill this whole floor with bedding. And you have the bed over here, plus a spot here that you can put a TV. They've got the coax and the outlet here, so you can set a small TV there. All kinds of cabinet space. The ladder here to get up to the bunk. Yeah, great room. Ducted AC coming into this room. Ducted floor heat, so everybody's gonna be comfortable back here. And a nice solid door to close that off then. Good sized pantry right here. I'll get out of the way, you can see that. So good space there to go along with that 8 cubic foot refrigerator. Then here's that bathroom I was talking about. Good size there, and that door going outside is a huge hit. The porcelain base toilet, so not the plastic type toilet with the foot flush there. So that's a higher end setup there. Central vac in these Hideouts, which is pretty sweet. Right here, you just turn it on. You get a hose that plugs right in there, about a 30-foot hose that'll hit the whole trailer, and you can tell from just the sound that makes. That vacuum sucks really good. All right, we're gonna head up front now. And first off, I'll kind of step out of the way and let the camera guy show you the half bath in this up front. Again, another porcelain toilet. It's got the sink. That's really handy. One of the drawbacks to a lot of fifth wheels are they have the main bathroom up front here, and it's right next to where the owners are sleeping, and well, the bathroom's right there, so not the best privacy setup. This is pretty sweet with having the half bath. You've got a nice 60-inch wide queen bed here. You can have some storage underneath it. There's the vacuum setup, the hose and all that. And then closet there, and then you also have a variety of drawers stacking shelves there, which makes for great use of space. And I think that's about it. See if I forgot anything. Oh, the couch here. This is a trifold sofa. So you take off the back rest here, and the whole thing folds out into a full-length bed. So you can sleep 2 adults up front, obviously, 2 adults here. Being it's not a jackknife couch, it comes all the way out into a full-length bed. Plus another 2 adults here if you want, and then you've got the whole back end. So sleeping capacity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe even more, depending how you know how big your campers are, as in your kids and that. So anyway, I think that's about it. We hope to see you down here at Sportsland. Take a look at it. Again, I'm William. Be happy to help you out, and thanks for your time. Take care.